Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today I'm going to show you a new product that we just came out with. Now this part will fit a slew of motorcycles, and we'll have all the fitment information down in the description and also in the description on the website. Today I want to show you our brand new axle nut covers. And we actually have three variations of this. The three variations are going to include this shorter spike, has little divots on the end, and then what I call our super spikes, which are quite a bit longer, as you can see. Now these are super easy to install. Just about everything that we sell at Advanblack's pretty easy to install. This is probably going to be the easiest one, probably less than a minute. 2 set screws right here in the bottom that you're going to pull out, put a little blue Loctite on there, put them back in, and run them down. You want to make sure that your set screws are at the bottom and not on the front or the top or the side. You don't want to see the set screws. Just make sure the set screws are at the bottom, slide them onto the axle, and then screw them down, and that's it. I'm just going to get this one up here on camera. As you can see, this is aluminum. These things are heavy. You can see the inside right there, the 2 set screws on the bottom. We'll spin that around. Of course, once we get it on the bike, we'll do a better look at it, but you can see right there how thick this thing is. Nice heavy weight to it. As you can see on the front of our Softail right here, this is our axle. This side has just the axle, and you have a hole here that you can put something through when you're tightening the nut on the other side. Of course, the nut on the other side will be a little bit different, but you want to make sure that your hole is not on the bottom or the top. You don't want this set screw to go in one of these holes. So we're just going to make sure that these are down. Give that a little tighten just like that, and it's installed. Allow a little bit of time for that blue Loctite to set up, and you won't have to worry about losing these. So there you have it. Like I said, super easy. One of the easiest things that you'll probably ever do to your Harley Davidson. A lot of people don't pay attention to those nut covers until they do like an aftermarket wheel, or they're doing chrome fork lowers, or blacking out their bike, whatever the case may be. You don't really pay a whole lot of attention to it until you do that, and then you see those 2 just kind of rough axle nuts on the end. And this is a great way to cover that up. And like I said, Advanblack's going to offer those in 3 different choices for you. As with every brand new product that we drop, the first 3 days it will not be available on the website, but if you want to get your hands on one, you can. You can get up with an Advanblack dealer. They can get you hooked up with a set of these. After the first 3 days, I'll put a link in the description down below to take you straight over to Advanblack's website, and you can purchase them there. So I hope this video helped you, but I'm going to get out of here and get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.